Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video I've done some research about Evadav and how you can make money with this paying advertising network. If you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get into it. First of all, I want to talk with you about what is Evadav. So Evadav is a network for advertising and marketing which offers ads and CPA and revenue share methods, and CPA is more applicable. Evadav was established in the year 2018 and become one of the most popular ad marketing platforms in 2 years with more than 2 billion impressions per year. The headquarters of this company is located at Limassol, Cyprus. Also some details about how it works. So Evadav is known for the push notification ads. Beside this, it also offers native in-page and pop-under ads. Ads use anti-ad block features. This helps publishers to earn revenue for the traffic. And also, Evadav supports Amigo, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Yandex browsers for both desktop and mobile web traffic based on Windows, Linux, Mac, or Android. Publishers will get advertisement codes in the widget section at evadav.com. These codes are used to add Evadav advertisement on their websites. And this network takes time of only 15 minutes to update the statistics. So this is a really good detail about Evadav. Some pros about Evadav, this evolving ad network. The global traffic accepted. So Evadav accepts traffic from all locations of the globe. Publishers with international traffic are not rejected for having no or less US traffic. Of course, there is no language discrimination. Evadav accepts all languages. This provides relief to publishers who have their websites with content in languages other than English. Also, even landings from Evadav are adaptive to the traffic location's language. Any amount of traffic is accepted. There is no requirement of any minimum traffic for Evadav advertisement. This helps website owners with even small traffic to monetize it. Restriction is so low that direct link from Evadav accepts traffic from even from Exchange. Also, some things about referral systems. Evadav also offers a referral system for bringing publishers to their network. This system offers 5% commission of the revenues that referred publishers will earn. Some cons: there is no referral program for referring advertisers, and all browsers are not supported, such as Vivaldi, Safari, and Microsoft Edge. About the restrictions, Evadav strictly restrict use. Evadav strictly restrict use of any type of malicious software or any material that related to violence and drug or any type of abuse towards in race, religion, person, group, native, or organization. any support to terrorism, political or any other activity against any state sovereignty are totally not accepted. So this is of course a good thing. And I know that many of you wonder about the withdrawal. This is a very important thing about Evadav. To withdraw, publishers have to send an email to the support of Evadav. Payments accepted. Payment methods accepted by Evadav are e-payments, bank wire, PayPal, Payoneer, Paxum, Skrill, and WebMoney. Evadav pays automatically on net 7 frequency weekly on every Monday. Minimum amount to issue is $1,000 via bank wire and $25 for all other options. Also, all payments are sent only in US dollars. Earners receive 100% of the income and there is no fees. So now guys, let's head on the website and see what they have for us. Let's read from here. They say that Evadav is an advertising network, as I said before. The traffic is traded under CPC and CPM pricing models, and of course is available over the following ad formats: native ads, in-page traffic, they say push notifications, and pop under. They also say that they have a wide range of payment options like 24/7 client care and also some dedicated account managers. So this is a really good thing if you want to use Evadav for your website, for your blog. They also say that serve 2+ billion impressions every day and strive to be the best in their class by helping us in our business bloom. So if you want to evolve with them, as they say, you can click here and monetize or advertise. Here are some other things about them. As you can see right now, 300 million unique audience, 2 billion daily impressions, and 100k verified sites and apps. Also, 50k trusted advertisers. Also, these numbers would not be possible without their top team of professionals around the globe. They have some technologies as a way to drive their business forward. Their partners right here. So yeah guys, this is all about Evadav. I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was useful, and if it was, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.